the Bench Anvil Kit. Now the Bench Anvil Kit is totally portable. When you need to use it, you bring it towards yourself, and then again you've got the rubber area to support your work while you're using a screwdriver or a nut driver, whatever the case may be. And because it's up on the bench and facing you, you don't have to be hunched over to use it. The other advantage is that this unit comes with 7 attachments that work as a third hand jig. And what a third hand is that instead of asking your associate to help you out with a nut wrench while you're on the other side of a nut and bolt with a screwdriver, you simply put your nut wrench into the unit, put your frame down, and then bring in your screwdriver while the nut wrench holds the nut in place. So it really speeds up your work. In addition, we also have a variety of attachments that allow you to work on, in this case, peening over the end of a screw. So if you have a cut screw and you want to round it over, you take your optician's hammer, your attachment with the cut point, and whap, whap, whap. You just smack it a few times to round over the end of that screw. This is the Bench Anvil Kit from Western Optical Supply.